Green tea is one of the most used beverages across the world, and almost every one of us likes green tea due to its unlimited health benefits. Usually, people throw the tea bags in the bin after making tea. But do you know? Used green tea bags also serve us in several purposes in our routine life, like cleaning, gardening, air freshening, skin care, and hair care. In this video, we have discussed the benefits of used tea bags. After knowing them, you will never throw it again. Number 1. May treat acne. Used green tea bags help treat mild skin problems and enhance your beauty. These contain antioxidants that have antibacterial properties causing acne. Soak tea bags in a cold water for a few minutes and place them on the affected area. It will soothe the irritation and help you get rid of acne. Number 2. Treats dark circles and puffiness. You can opt for both warm and cold tea bags to improve your skin appearance. Placing warm tea bags on your eyes decreases dark cells and reduces puffiness around the eyes. On the contrary, refrigerate them for a few hours and apply them to the skin when you feel exhausted. Cold tea bags gives you a more refreshing feeling and makes you look revived and awoken by shrinking blood cells and reducing puffiness. Number 3. Naturally hydrate skin. Take a bowl full of hot water and put a used tea bag in it. Now lean over it for 10 minutes, letting your pores open. Tea bags contain antioxidants that naturally tone and hydrate your skin by eliminating dirt. Number 4. May prevent hair loss. A few studies propose that a strong tea helps grow stronger hair by preventing hair loss. Apply the tea to your hair and let it sit for 10 minutes before a shower. Then wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner as per your routine to enjoy smooth and shiny hair. Number 5. Adds nutrients to the soil. Green tea leaves comprise tannic acid and other essential nutrients needed by the soil. These serve as a natural fertilizer, and when they decompose, they add nutrients contributing to healthier environment. Hence, when you realize the importance of the used tea bags for nourishing the garden soil, we are sure you will never throw them in the bin again. Number 6. Averts bugs from the garden. Are you tired of pesky bugs that eat and destroy the plants, vegetables, and flowers of your garden? Here is an easy, cost-effective home remedy for you. Place used tea bags near the plants, and their odor deters bugs from swallowing your flowers and veggies. Number 7. Get rid of stubborn stains from the pots and dishes. Another amazing use of tea bags is to clean dirty pots. They assist in removing the greasy mass that sticks at the bottom of your pans after cooking. Boil some water in the pan and add 2 or 3 used tea bags. These contain tannins that help remove grease by dissolving mass, making it convenient for you to wash. Number 8. Get rid of unpleasant smells. Placing dried tea bags in the fridge, living area, or even in your shoes serve as a natural air freshener. The leaves in the tea bags absorb foul smells and unpleasant odors without affecting the environment. Number 9. Makes meat softer and tender. Used tea bags help adding flavor to meat while cooking. You can also use tea bags to turn your meat softer and tasty. Add dried tea bags while marinating the meat to turn it juicier and flavorful.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.